Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I want to tell you what my 31st item is. It's basically something to protect underneath of my Jeep, and it's somewhat fragile or key area that you do not want to damage or crack when you're off-roading. The bottom part would be the oil pan. Yeah, I don't know if you could see that, but that is my oil pan cover. It is called the WESTIN oil pan cover. It's an assurance to prevent any rocks going into it or boulders or whatever and hitting that oil pan part. I heard some stories and I seen some videos where a Jeep or any other 4x4 going off-roading and they hit a rock onto the oil pan, busted the oil pan, crack it, and then all the oil gushed out or released, and then they're not able to run their vehicles anymore. Oil is very important in the engine, and this is a preventive measure to put an oil skid pan cover around your regular oil pan. There it is, guys. It is the WESTIN oil pan cover for my Jeep. That is the 31st item that I got for my Jeep. Thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.